what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can quickly and easily get rid of this pink, distorted looking color on your Ring camera. I noticed this whenever I was washing off the front of my house. It started getting these discolored pink looking colors. It almost looks like a filter on half of the screen here. So I'm gonna show you how you can easily remove this by tapping on it. Some people use their hand or like a little light duty rubber mallet. But I'm gonna bring this over here, and what you're seeing here is the actual front of my driveway. I'm gonna put my phone here and then tap on it so I can show you real time. Right here on the back, like this. See if that improves anything. So far that is pink. You gotta kind of play with it, but after you play around with it a little bit, it'll usually start to get better. You gotta kind of play with it, but after you play around with it a little bit, it'll usually start to get better. So right there, I tapped it a few times, and as you can see here, it's all clear now. So right there, I tapped it a few times, and as you can see here, it's all clear now. I don't see any pink on any of the edges. I don't know if you can see that. There's no pink at all. And before, the whole thing was halfway covered to fully covered. So, like I said, all you have to do is tap on it. I use the back of this old little rubber mallet I got from Dollar Tree. I tapped on it from the back right here, like that, and on the side. All right, let me bring it over here so you can see it better, because in the sunlight, it is very dim. So as you can see here, there's no more pink stuff anywhere. It was mainly happening from the right side, and it would bleed over to the left side. So I hope this video helped you get rid of that pink, discolored looking weird filter that happens on some Ring cameras. Again, this was a Ring floodlight. This does happen sometimes with Ring spotlights. All you have to do is get a nice little tap, and that should fix your problem. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.